Hey guys, welcome back to Postcards of Texas. I'm gonna have a short little video right now kind of talking about an experience I had with ITALKI teachers. But yeah. What happened was I was supposed to have a lesson with my teacher and she canceled on me. Well, I wasn't mad. I was just... So I hadn't had a lesson in 2 weeks, so I was like, I'm not gonna wait another week. So I got a teacher real quick off the ITALKI app and had her lesson. And then, so as I was doing the lesson, I realized this girl is a lot better than my other teacher. Like, she goes more into depth and makes me speak, makes me do the work, not just watch her type, more hiragana, more hiragana, more hiragana. She actually makes me read the hiragana and then make my own sentences with the hiragana. So that was really nice and refreshing. The reason why I'm talking about this is because, you may like your teacher. Like, if you're using the ITALKI app, you may like your teacher, but if she's not, there can always, some teachers are just better teachers. I mean, I had nothing against her. It's just, I had to switch because it wasn't going in. Because I learned more by doing than by watching or listening or whatever. So, especially with the language, most people learn that way, where they learn by doing. Because you can't really learn unless you speak it or try to put a sentence together or something like that. So, yeah. But now I've switched teachers and I'm really happy, and I have a lesson with her today and I'm kind of excited because she's really good. And the main thing you should get from this is, like, you try out different teachers, different teaching styles, and see which one works for you. So yeah, her teaching style was like, she had Google Docs that she would have for me, and we would go through the Genki book on the Google Docs, and she would type it as we went, but she wouldn't make me read what she typed. She would just say, this is this, this is this, this is this, explain this, this, and I was just like, I'm really not getting it because I wasn't reading the hiragana, I was just listening to her tell me what it was instead of me actually trying to do it. Because she's like always felt rushed. And then this other girl that I'm using, she's like more in depth and more everything. It's just a lot better. And so, like, my last lesson we talked about root verbs, U verbs, and irregular verbs, and I learned like when to use them and why, and she had like a little whiteboard for me and everything. It was like a real lesson. And she's like, okay, this is the stem and this is not the stem, and this is the part of the word that you keep and this isn't, and then when you use this one and when you use this one. It was just really nice to like have her go into depth about it. It was just a lot better than my other teacher, who was just very dry and not that easy to... I could learn from her, but I could learn more from this other person, and I want to get more out of what I'm paying. So yeah, I don't know if that's selfish, but that's just me. Yeah. And then also she taught me the particles, because I was really having trouble like trying to place where to put the particles. Like, each particle is like direct object, time, place, like to know when to use them and stuff like that. And she had me make my own sentences and yeah, it was really good lesson. So I switched over to this new teacher, and I'm gonna update you periodically and tell you how my studying is going with her. So yeah, I hope you like this video. Please give it a like, hit the subscribe button and the bell. There's a free PDF hiragana and katakana chart down below. Just click the link and